Hello, children. Good morning to everyone. I welcome you all for this English class. We have completed 10 lessons and 6 poems in English. Do you all remember what was the last class? We have learnt about Pit-Pat's journey, how the raindrop travels to different places. That is what we learned in the previous lesson, that is Pit-Pat's journey. Today we are going to learn the seventh poem. Okay. This is the poem My Shadow. My Shadow. This is what the topic of this poem. What do you mean by shadow? Do you all know what is shadow? We get shadow when we are on the bright area. Am I right? Yes. Look at this. Here you can get the shadow, right? Pencil shadow. Why? You are blocking the light on a surface. That is why you are getting a shadow here. Here you can get the shadow of the pencil. Can you see this? And my hand also. Yes? Yes. Shadow is a dark area. Why you get that dark area? Because you are blocking the light on the surface. That is called shadow. Okay? Look at this. A boy. He is jumping on the bed. This is the shadow. This is the boy and this is the shadow. Okay. We are going to learn about shadow. First line. I have a little shadow. I have a little shadow. This boy is describing. He is little. Right? He is a little boy. So he is getting a little shadow. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me. That goes in and out with me. What it means? எனக்கு ஒரு லிட்டில் ஷேடோ இருக்கு that goes in and out with me. என் கூடவே உள்ள வெளியே போகும். Okay? Yes, am I right? When we are walking under the sunlight, you can get the shadow, right? That shadow travels with you. Wherever you go, that travels with you, right? That is what this boy is trying to tell. And then third line, and what can be the use of him is more than I can see. அதோட யூஸ் என்ன? நாம் பார்க்கறத தவிர வேற என்ன யூஸ் இருக்க முடியும்? And what can be the use of him is more than I can see. I can see. நாம் பார்க்கறத தவிர more than அதை விட என்ன இருக்க முடியும்? What can be the use? அதோட யூஸ் என்ன? He is very very like me. What it means? என்ன மாதிரியே இருக்கு. He is very very like me. From the heels up to the head. ஹீல்ஸ்ல இருந்து ஹெட் வரைக்கும் என்ன மாதிரியே இருக்கு. ரைட்? ஹீல்ஸ்ல இருந்து ஹெட் வரைக்கும் it looks like me. It's very very like me. From the heels up to the head. Okay? Next, and I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. So, when he jumps into the bed, what happens? The shadow jumps before he jumps. Okay? You can experiment this. You can do this in the home. When you jump under the sunlight, no? Automatically the shadow also jump with you, but it jumps before you. Right? And that is what he is telling. And I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. Okay? So, have you understood all these lines? How many lines are here? 8 lines. You will get these 8 lines for your midterm exam. Okay? Have you all understood, children? Okay. So, I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me. And what can be the use of him is more than I can see. He is very, very like me. from the heels up to the head, and I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. Next, the funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow. The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow. இதில் ரொம்ப ஃபன்னியான ஒரு விஷயம் என்ன? The funniest thing about him, about that shadow. What is that? Is the way he likes to grow. How it is growing. Okay, இது எப்படி வளருது? Okay, not at all like proper children. Not at all like proper children. குழந்தைங்க எப்படி ப்ராப்பராக வளருது? 1 yearல, 2 yearல, 3 yearல, 4 yearsல. So like this, they have a standard growth, right? Not like that proper children, which is always very slow, right? இந்த மாதிரி ரொம்ப ஸ்லோவாக இருக்காது. It takes months and years for the children to grow. Am I right? குழந்தைங்க வளர்கிறதுக்கு months and years ஆகும். The growth will be very slow. Am I right? Yes, that is what he is telling. Not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. Childrenோட ப்ராப்பரான growth மாதிரி கிடையாது. அது எப்படி இருக்கும்? Which is always very slow. எப்படி இருக்குதுன்னு பார்க்கலாம். For he sometimes shoots up taller like an India rubber ball. For he sometimes shoots up taller. What do you mean by shoots up taller? Sudden growth ஆகிறது. Shoots up means it grows suddenly. சீக்கிரமா faster grow ஆயிடுது. For he sometimes shoots up taller. Like what? An India rubber ball. How the India rubber ball looks? So a rubber ball, when you throw it on the floor, what happens? It jumps, right? Suddenly it jumps. Like that, the shadow also shoots up taller sometimes. And he sometimes gets so little that there is none of him at all. Sometimes என்ன ஆகுது? ஷேடோ ரொம்ப சின்னதாகிடுது. லைக் அங்கே யாருமே இல்லாத மாதிரி. that there is none of him at all. அங்கே எதுவுமே இல்லாமல், none of him at all, இது எதுவுமே இல்லாத மாதிரி. When it happens, you can see the shadow is big in the morning, and in the afternoon time the shadows will be little different, right? It will be little small, little, and sometimes it is taller. Okay, according to the sunlight and according to the light force, light source of light, where it comes from, which direction it comes from. Okay, according to that, the shadow looks up taller, shoots up taller, or sometimes it gets so little. This is what the meaning of this poem. Okay, the funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow. இதில் ஃபன்னியான ஒரு விஷயம் என்னென்னா, அது எப்படி க்ரோ ஆகுது. Not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. எது மாதிரி கிடையாது? குழந்தைங்க வளர்கிறது மாதிரி கிடையாது. ஏன்னா குழந்தைங்க வளர்கிறது ரொம்ப ஸ்லோவாக இருக்கும் எப்போதுமே. ஆல்வேஸ் மீன்ஸ் எப்போதும். ஆல்வேஸ் இட் வில் பி வெரி ஸ்லோ. நாட் லைக் தேட். எப்படி இருக்கும்? சம்டைம்ஸ் ஷூட்ஸ் அப் டாலர் லைக் இந்தியா ரப்பர் ball. Sometimes gets so little that there is none of him at all. This is what your poem. Okay children, have you understood? I hope you have understood the poem. We'll move on to the book back exercise. Okay, first one, fill in the blanks. I have a little dash that goes in and out with me. What is the answer? I have a little shadow. That is the first line. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me. Okay, next, he is very very like me. He is very very like me from the heels up to the, what is the answer? Head. Third one, and I see him dash before me when I jump into my bed. So what is the answer? When I see him jump before me. Okay, that is the answer. Next, like shadow, next exercise, like shadow, many words begin with SH. Okay, shadow also starts with SH. Read the clues and complete the SH words. Okay, here they have given set of words. To identify these words, they have given some clues here. Okay, first one, We wear them on our feet. காலில் என்ன போடுவோம்? We wear them on our feet. Shoes, right? Yes. It starts with SH. What is the spelling? Shoes. SH O E S. Shoes. This animal gives us wool. Which animal gives us wool? Sheep. Very good. SH E E P. Third one. We collect these from a beach. What we collect from beach? Shells, right? Shells. Sippy. SHELLS. Shells. Fourth one. This is a very big boat. What we call that? Very big boat. Ship. 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 Fifth one. We buy toys from here. Where do you buy toys? Shop. SHOP. Okay. Have you understood, children? Yes. Next. Grammar fun. Look at the animals on the form. Write yes there is or no there is not to answer these questions. Look at the picture. Here you have one picture, right? By looking at this picture, you have to answer these questions. Okay? You have to answer yes there is or no there is not. Only you have to answer these two sentences. Okay? First one. Is there a cow on the form? Is there a cow? Yes, there is. They have written yes, there is. Okay? Next. Is there an elephant on the form? Elephant irukka inga? No, there is not. They have written no, there is not. So you have to write no, there is not. Okay? Okay. Third one. Is there a duck on the form? Yes, here it is, right? So what you have to write? Yes, there is. Next. Is there a rabbit on the form? Yes, here it is. Yes. Yes, there is. So whatever animals you can find in the picture, you can write yes, there is. Is there an eagle on the form here? No. You're not able to find, right? There is no eagle here. So what you have to write? No, there is not. Okay? Okay. We'll move on to the next exercise. The next page. Look at the picture. Tick the sentences that are true. Write them in your notebook. Okay? Look at the picture. By looking at this picture, they have given some sentences, whether it is true or not. If it is true, you have to put a tick in the circle. If it is not true, you need not to do anything. So the first one, it is a sunny day. Look at this picture. Is it a sunny day? No. So you need not to put a tick. Second one, the children are having lunch. Are they having lunch here? No. So you need not to put a tick. Next. One girl has a paper boat. Is it true? Yes, this girl is having a paper boat, right? This girl is having a paper boat. So it is true. So put a tick over here. Fourth one. They are all very sad. Are they sad? Look at these faces. Look at these girls' faces. Are they sad? No, they are all happy, right? So don't put a tick over here because it is not true. Next. It is raining. It is raining here? Yes, look at the girl. They are having umbrella. So it is true. It is raining. The children are playing in the rain. Yes? Yes, they are all playing in the rain. It is correct. True. One girl is skipping a rope. Yes? Any girl is doing skipping here? No. Next. They are all very happy. Are they happy here? Yes, everybody happy. So put a tick over here. So only 4 sentences are true. Okay? Out of 8 sentences, only 4 sentences are true. Okay? That's all about this. You have to look at the picture and tick the true sentences. Okay? Next. Match the animals with their shadows. Okay? Look at the animals. They have animals here. And here there are shadows. Okay, we're looking at the shadows. You have to match the shadows with the animals. Okay, what is this? This is a horse. Where is the shadow? Shadow is here, right? Okay, match. Next, what is this? Bear. Where is the shadow? Here it is, right? Yes, very good. Next, what is this? Hippopotamus. Am I right? Or rhinoceros? What it is? Yes, correct. Match. Then what is this? Camel. The shadow. Camel. Okay. Okay. This is what the exercise tells you about. Match the animals with their shadows. You have to match with the correct animal. Okay. Okay, children, we have done the book back exercise of this poem. Okay. We have completed all the book back exercise of this poem, My Shadow. So children, please learn the poem. Okay, this is your memory poem for your exam. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me. And what can be the use of him is more than I can see. He is very, very like me from the heels up to the head. And I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow. Not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. For he sometimes shoots up taller like an India rubber ball. And he sometimes gets so little that there is none of him at all. This is what your poem. I hope you have understood all the book back exercise and the meaning of this poem. Okay, children, learn the poem and learn the book back exercise also. Write the notes then and there whenever I send you notes. Okay, children, we'll meet in the next session. Thank you.